Hello, everybody. Good morning, and welcome to the channel. I'm Gene. Today, we're going to be talking about T-Mobile and their big game-changing 5G. Okay. Now, this is by Neville Ray, President of Technology, on February 9th of this year. There's a lot of hype about 5G. Wireless companies are spending gobs on futuristic ads, video games, and fancy demo videos, most of which showcase solutions that don't exist and may never exist. Or aren't accessible to most people. This does consumers and technology itself a disservice. That's why for their Super Bowl ads, they chose to focus on a real scenario. All of us probably experienced this past year, the glitchy video call. We've experienced jitter, drops, garbled voices, and frozen faces. That's a real problem 5G can solve, delivering higher quality videos. Now, 5G, the truth is that only T-Mobile is building a broad and deep real 5G network, a network capable of delivering actual benefits like amazing video calling experience and all of the other cool things 5G will unlock. The majority, they saw it on display in Tampa Bay at Super Bowl Sunday. The Super Bowl was different this year. They made permanent network upgrades throughout the area as per the case study of their 5G build strategy rolling out across the country. Okay, the majority of Tampa, St. Pete, and Clearwater were already covered with far-reaching 5G coverage. They then deployed the super-fast, ultra-capacity 5G in and around Tampa Bay and in surrounding areas like St. Petersburg, Clearwater, and Dade City. At Raymond James Stadium, they deployed the full layer cake of 5G. Low band, extended range, ultra capacity, mid band, and ultra capacity millimeter wave inside the building. This is how you build a 5G network. Great capacity and speeds across the city and surrounding areas, not just in a few parts. Nationwide, we saw 40% more traffic than during last year's Super Bowl, and we saw customers with 5G devices use 25% more data than other customers. Here are a couple of their favorite tweets from the weekend. Research firm Umlaut put this 5G experience in Tampa to the test and found that T-Mobile delivered the fastest performance. In just the last week, Umlaut tested an area spanning more than 1,000 square miles by car and on foot, taking nearly 2,000 test samples for each wireless provider. Using a 5G-capable Samsung S20 Plus smartphone, they measured the customer experience with downlink and uplink performance, and T-Mobile came out on top with the fastest 5G speeds and our overall download and upload speeds, combining LTE and 5G, were more than 1.2 times faster than AT&T and Verizon. Not only that, but ultra-capacity 5G download speeds in Tampa were 1.6 times faster than a typical 5G speed from the other carriers. And Umlaut found that their ultra-capacity 5G was available in almost half of the samples, while Verizon's UW could be found less than half of 1% of the time. Oof. This is what Verizon means when they say parts of some cities, less than half a percent of that city. And remember, T-Mobile covers more than 40 times the city count compared to Verizon. This is the 5G experience they're rolling out nationwide. So yeah, there's a lot of talk, but it's a reality when you look at the overall coverage and speed of the networks. Here are the maps. Do those maps surprise you? And it's more than just coverage. Here's how the 5G networks compare by the numbers. Okay, by the numbers. Okay. The truth is, from the moment they launched 5G, T-Mobile became the 5G coverage leader, and now according to OpenSignal, they're also the fastest. As we pile on the speed with ultra-capacity 5G, and we're not just adding 5G speed and coverage, we're continually enhancing 4G LTE as well, too. They are. Plus, T-Mobile is unique, completely unique, and they're building 5G dedicated airwaves. That means they can deliver both coverage and speed to create a truly transformative 5G network. And they're still the only U.S. wireless provider offering standalone 5G, which routes traffic to a dedicated next-generation core and unlock the full potential of 5G. The other guys just can't match this. It says to showcase this completely unique strategy and unique network, and because not everyone loves the maps the way he does, we're using some unique tactics. In December, we used If 5G Were with 3 snow people built to the scale of T-Mobile, AT&T, and Verizon 5G networks. Today, he's happy to present the second installment in this series, If 5G Were. All sculptures for this one. We had to an ice festival in the Midwest with one massive ice sculpture representing T-Mobile, measuring 5 by 3, and a second representing Verizon, a mere 2 by 2, or about 1/4 the size. The difference between both companies' 5G networks. You can see all these artworks live along with all the other ice creations at Improv Ice at the following link. And get ready, because they've got loads and loads of great ideas for things we can build if 5G work. Stay tuned to see a few of the best to come to life. Because they're not stopping, we'll keep expanding the biggest and fastest 5G network, and we'll keep telling people about it in new and different ways. And in ways that not only grab attention, but in ways that show you can make a real difference. This is the kind of game-changing 5G America deserves, and this is the kind of 5G they're building. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoyed that little piece there. And so join me tonight at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time on Saturday, February 21st, when we go live on YouTube to discuss an Opens Fund and all that sort of thing. So we thank you for coming. Thank you for enjoying it. Please comment, like, or dislike the video. And once again, comment, like, or dislike the video. And we thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.